We know it, having bad habits can prevent you from being more productive. However, so many people still find it challenging to avoid having some. You might say, wait a minute. I'm a good guy, I'm a good person. But bad habits have degrees, depending on the field you want to take into account. Some are really bad, others are less noticeable. Nevertheless, the result is the same: you are not making the most of every opportunity. I'm going to show you 5 bad habits that will keep you poor if you don't change. Habits that can prevent you from making the most of your investments, whether you are in real estate, in Bitcoin, stocks, bonds, or whatsoever. Anyway, while investing and managing your money. Setting unrealistic goals. Setting unrealistic goals and taking on too much can lead to a disaster in your finances. You surely want to get rid of it to manage your money in a better way. Then you must set realistic goals and make it manageable. Some may want to multiply their income by 50 every single month. Though it might happen, so we all know how difficult it is. The thing is that expecting results from unrealistic goals will give you a lot of stress, and when you'll fail, you will just lose interest and motivation. You will abandon your financial projects because you'll realize that your expectations were just far above the results you get. Let's say John and Kim are setting financial goals for this year. On January, John has $10,000 and Kim has $15,000. Kim says to make her money grow faster, she will go for stock market investing. Her strategy is that she will invest in trading and spend all the $15,000 by February, expecting that she will gain $300,000 of passive income in 1 month. John too is wondering how he can grow his money through stock market. But he has a different strategy. He decides to set smaller and attainable goals. So, he decides to have a larger investment portfolio. He will divide his capital into parts: 30% for trading, 40% to buy stocks, 30% is kept as working capital. Though the two are investing money, the results will surely be different. According to you, whose strategy is more realistic? Who do you think will succeed? Tell us in the comments section below. Perfectionism. As days go by, we have to deal with more and more competitive environments. In such a context, another overwhelming habit fighting our finances is perfectionism. You should do the right things the right way. However, when you want to grow your money in order to have good results, expecting everything to be perfect before you move forwards might produce the opposite result. Trying to be perfect before you jump into business usually ends up being really stressful. And a lot of stress can cause exhaustion and lead you to an increase in depression and anxiety. Not only you will be stressed up, but you can also be paralyzed because you are afraid. You don't want to make mistakes. You heard so many have lost their money while trying to invest, and you are so afraid. That fear will make you waste your time into useless studies. Just imagine somebody learning about swimming. You may go to school for years, even decades, and learn the theory of swimming. But as long as you don't put yourself into water and start swimming, you cannot pretend you know how to swim. When you start practicing what you've learned about swimming, the first days it might not work, but you are already better than those who never tried and wait to be perfect before they start. And the more you practice, the more you get better at it. In the same way, though you need to learn the investing rules and the basics of entrepreneurship, if you are waiting to be perfect before you do what the rich are doing to have money, then chances are you will remain poor for long again. Negative self-talk. It's crazy how easy it is to say to yourself, "This is too difficult. I'm not going to be able to do it. I'm not good at anything. I was born to be and remain poor." That is negative self-talk. Negative self-talk, just like perfectionism, can easily jeopardize your efforts to break out of poverty. It can lead you to laziness to take any action that can help you become financially free, laziness to work for your financial growth and your financial freedom. Instead of filling your mind with negative self-talk, start with positive self-talk. Have positive thoughts and positive feelings. Change your mindset. Say to yourself, "If others could grow their money, then I can too," and put in all the efforts you can. Then you'll be able to grow your money. Moving without direction. Sometimes we can be over-enthusiastic about a project, even to the point of forgetting to clearly define the direction we want to take. It's like a fan whose team wins a game that seemed to be lost. He is so full of joy that he starts running around without even thinking too hard. And sometimes, in the midst of this joy, the fan gets hurt or injured. In the same way, when people want to grow their money, they are so excited about the idea of achieving financial freedom that they forget they have to plan their action. You should make an action plan that shows the main goals and the main strategies you will adopt to achieve those goals, and how you want to invest money. A good plan will help you check how you are doing over time, and help you spot the loopholes. Don't jump like that without planning. If not, it will be a blow to your finances. A poor stress management. Investing money carries a lot of stress to handle. A poor stress management is another thing struggling to keep you poor. A poorly managed stress can cause you to give up or make poor financial decisions. When learning about managing finances, you should also learn about handling stress. Stress can affect you from time to time, especially when you are going under pressure, and you will do well to have a good stress management plan. For example, you may want to eat a balanced diet to be in good health and improve over stress. Also consider sleeping well at night and physical exercise. Sleeping well at night will help you stay focused. Physical exercise can make you feel happier and more confident, and help you reduce your risk of chronic disease, which is important when taking decisions on your money. As part of the stress management plan, you should also take time to congratulate yourself on good results, no matter how small they might look like. This will really boost your confidence and help you stay motivated, and it is just good for your finances. If you've learned something new today, then give this video a like and share with a friend. Manage well.